Greetings, Internet. It's the amazing Flec. And Lucy the cat, my manager. Say hi, Lucy. Say hi to the camera. As you can see, Lucy is speechless. Well, today was quite a packed Sunday, busier than normal, especially considering how I'm doing all these video postings on a daily basis. I managed to sleep in pretty late after being up pretty late the night before, hanging out. After I managed to get myself out of bed, I made my way into the restroom and looked in the mirror and discovered I needed to do a little shaving. And I also discovered that my restroom was kind of gross and needed some attention. So I thought it'd be a good opportunity to put a towel down over the sink and shave to collect all the hair and then clean it up nice afterwards. Now I managed to get some video footage of the whole process, and I decided that it was kind of boring and dull. So to make it more interesting, I decided to put it to some music. I thought I would use some music that was epic and royalty-free and without copyrights. So after a long consideration and talking it over with my manager here, Lucy and I decided on Ride of the Valkyries by Wagner. I hope you enjoy. After my shave and cleaning the bathroom, I had to clean out Lucy's litter box. It smelled horrible, had to get it out. Taking the trash out is never something people are excited about doing. I made my way all the way over to the trash, and I forgot to toss in a little bit of paper that was in my pocket. But luckily there was a small recycling bin right next to me, so I didn't have to walk all the way back over. After taking out the trash, I decided to go hit up the old slackline. It was pretty snowy out there, and the line was covered with a little bit of snow, and not to mention my feet had snow and sand on it, which made the strap very, very slippery, more slippery than normal. And I managed to make it all the way across, and almost at the very last minute fall off when I got really close to the tree. Where I lose it pretty soon is where I try to contact juggle while on the slack line, which can kind of throw off your footing a little bit if you're trying to compensate to stay on. You can't always use your hands to keep yourself on. There I go, falling right on off. I proceeded to do some more of those 180 drills where I spin around 180 degrees as many times as I can. It looks like I have a tendency to pivot on my left foot. Well, I think I managed to do about 15 turnarounds this time. It made me feel victorious. Then I thought I would try to do some more contact juggling while on the line. It was a little difficult, not just because of the snow and the sand on the line, but also because my hands were really cold and I wasn't able to feel the ball as much as I would like to. But I was having a really good time anyways because magic. You ever see something fall up before? Well, that just about wraps up today's video. Thanks for watching, everybody. From Lucy the cat and the amazing Flec, we'd like to remind you to keep safe, be well, stay humble, and peace.